Feeling sluggish? Struggling with bloating, mood swings, or recurring colds? These might all be signs of poor gut health. On iHealth Consult, you'll discover how your gut really drives your energy, mood, and immunity, and what you can do about it naturally, backed by science. Subscribe to iHealth Consult for weekly natural health tips. Why gut health matters. Define the microbiome, trillions of bacteria in your intestines that influence digestion, immune function, even brain chemicals. Link gut to energy, nutrient absorption plus chronic inflammation equals fatigue, to mood, via gut-brain connection and serotonin, and to immunity, 70% of immunity activity begins in the gut. Tease the 5-step healing plan ahead. Warning signs of poor gut health. For each sign, explain cause plus real-life examples plus quick evidence. Bloating, gas, constipation or diarrhea. Brain fog, low focus, mood swings. Frequent colds or allergies. Sugar cravings and weight gain. Skin issues and rashes. 5 science-backed ways to restore gut health. 1. Increase prebiotic and fermented foods. Benefits of fiber-rich veggies, garlic, onions, kombucha, kimchi. Provide daily serving suggestions. 2. Reduce sugar and processed foods. Link refined sugar to microbiome imbalance and inflammation. Tips: swap soda for coconut water or kombucha, trending beverage. 3. Practice stress management, especially mindfulness and sleep. Stress raises cortisol, which worsens gut lining. Expert view: cortisol trends are oversimplified, it's lifestyle that matters. Suggest meditation, journaling, night wind down routine. 4. Personalized wellness, track and test. Mention gut microbiome test kits, AI-driven nutrition services, personalization trend 2025. 5. Regular movement and recovery. Recommend mindful movement, Pilates for core plus mobility classes, wellness trend. Emphasize hydration and sleep. Sample daily routine, gut healing day. Walk through a 24-hour plan. Morning, warm water plus lemon, probiotic-rich breakfast, e.g. yogurt plus berries. Midday, high-fiber lunch plus fermented side. Afternoon, non-caffeinated herbal tea, e.g. ginger plus mint. Evening, light dinner, screen-free wind down, 7-8 hours sleep. Bonus, weekly gut reset smoothie, monthly microbiome test. Common myths and Q&A. Address myths and questions like: fasting is gut healing, true? Depends, may impair microbiome if excessive. Probiotic pills versus food, what works? Whole food sources typically better. Is bloating always gut-related? Could be food intolerances, suggest elimination trial. Each myth, explain, correct, cite simple science. Gut health isn't just about digestion. It's your energy source, immune shield, and mood regulator. By making small daily changes, adding fiber and fermented foods, managing stress, sleeping well, you can transform your health. If this helped, hit like, comment below which tip you'll start today, and subscribe to iHealth Consult for more science-based wellness guidance.